kind of marine, okay? You come to Layang Layang. We have a lot. Have you heard about the smallest seahorses in the world? Pygmy seahorses. We have it there as well. Okay, so there's a lot of things that Layang Layang can offer to all the Malaysians. Okay? So this is the deepest mailbox in the world, depth about 40 meters. We also have the Bird Island, where we have a lot of, you're talking about millions or hundreds, thousands of birds, migratory, from different countries. They will have a pit stop at a small island, then you can enjoy everything or a lot of these birds. Yeah? So that is some of the pictures. Okay, now, talking about flagship product, meaning to say, what we offer. These are our standard packages, where we only offer 6 days, 5 nights, and 8 days, 1 night, 3 days, 2 nights. No, we go for packages. Why? If you go 1 day, you want to stay another day. If you go 2 days, you want to stay another 3 days. You want to go for 4 days, you want to go for 1 week. That's for sure. Why? Because as what I shared with you before, this is the experience of a lifetime that you must have. Okay? 6 days, 5 nights is included the chartered flight from KK, BKI to Layang Layang and BKI with the airport tax and also 35 kg of luggage, accommodation, air-conditioned accommodation, 5 meals daily, use of tanks, weight, and also wet belt, plus 3 boats dive a day. So a day, you go for 3 times diving. Okay, now, the price package for Malaysians is about 7,001. Okay, that is for twin, and single is about 8,006. Yes, a lot of people say, wow, so expensive. Yes, it is. Because it's private and also prestige, that lifetime experience that we offered in Layang Layang. For non-Malaysian, the packages is down there. Okay, don't worry about these packages because we have a special package only for MyCard and Malaysian packages in one. Okay, bear with me. Now, domestic tourism packages. In line with the government promoting the domestic tourism, we are supporting the government as well. Package special for the MyCard holder only. If you're a MyCard holder, you are entitled for this package. Right. So, domestic tourism, special design for MyCard, good value and affordable, and also the last one, a privilege card. 6 days, 5 nights is the same. Charter flight, BKI, Layang Layang, BKI, Kota Kinabalu. Accommodation, 3 meals daily, plus 1 high tea, use tank, and also 2 boats dive a day. Okay, now, price. This is the price that what we offer in our website. 5988 in our website, not for you all. For you all, I'm going to give another offer. Sell earlier, you get more. Now, the offer, if you need for all the B2B, you have to come and see me. Okay, after this, yes. Right, so that we can have more, we can have more explanation, we can exchange card, then we can email to you, then we can explain what are the things. Okay, meal. Sometimes people ask whether the meal is halal or not. Yes, we do halal. Okay, because at the island itself, we deal as well together with the Navy. And also for you to come into the island, we have to deal with the Malaysian government, especially with the MKN, Majlis Keselamatan Negara. Okay? So, this is a normal question about what is the MyCard is all about. And does it goes for the, for the permanent resident or work pass? No. Work pass, expatriate and everything, we do not give. However, if you want, we can talk about it. Okay? Meal, as I said, yes, we serve local, international, and also it's halal. Unlimited shore dive, yes, we give you unlimited shore dive, meaning to say, near our jetty inside the lagoon. Night dive, yes, we also give you a night dive, but optional. Nitrox, we don't do nitrox because we do a leisure dive, so you do not need nitrox. So we only do a compressed air. Excess baggage, yes, 25 kilo per person. Okay, advisable 25. Stick with it for safety purpose. Okay, best season to layang-layang. Basically, as early as March until October, but because of monsoon, we close. Okay, the resort only operating from early March until end of June every year. Okay, NIPEX FOC, we can talk about this as well later on. Okay, booking, there you go. I'll give it more longer. Please take a picture, memorize it. Okay, contact number. My team is here as well, Mr. Lawrence Lee. Number 2, Mark Peter, that's me. Celio as well is here, and Philo Yap, another colleague of ours, taking care of the office now because all of us are from the office. Okay, so thank you very much. See you later on. We exchange our card.